Watch your step over here. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fiber mass looks saturated enough now.
Yes, the rollers are gripping it well at the exit.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Almost there, a little more to the left. Got it.
See how the cyan shifts here when we print?
Yeah, it doesn't match the mock-up. We need to adjust the profile.
Experience the gentle touch of nature. Our pads utilize eco-friendly banana technology, providing comfort you can trust.
Make sure those pallets are secure before the driver leaves. Keep it moving. We've got another shipment arriving soon.
So that's the 2 boxes for today's order, correct?
Yes, they match the manifest. Go ahead and sign at the bottom.
In controlled soil conditions, the organic material rapidly degrades, leaving no trace.
By transforming banana fiber waste into nutrient-rich compost, the facility closes the
The
loop.
data here shows a slight dip in efficiency yesterday.
Yes, we had a minor issue with the robotics. It's resolved now.
The cytotoxicity data confirms the textile application is safe.
Yes, we should finalize the submission for Aditya quarter.
So what are your initial impressions of the new packaging?
Yeah, I really like the texture. It feels much more high quality than the old one.
Yes, and the colors are very vibrant.
Yeah.
This clause regarding the utilization methods needs careful review before we file internationally.
I agree. We should emphasize the sustainable
By
aspect
choosing
here.
sustainable materials like bamboo, we've reduced the carbon footprint by 40%. It's something we are incredibly
The
proud
materials
of.
here are all locally sourced, which really emphasizes the eco-friendly aesthetic we were going for.
All right, everyone, settle down. Rolling. And action. Perfect. Hold that smile.
Look, it says it's totally biodegradable and made from banana fibers.
Wow, that's really interesting. We should try these.
Morning, everyone.
Hey, did you see the projections for this quarter?
Yeah, looks promising.